We started the same way everybody else starts, 0 subscribers and 0 views. And we started, the first video came out December 5th, 2020. But over the course of last year, we gained 621,700 views, 66,600 watch hours. That's the most important, in my opinion. And I'll get to that here in a minute. 7.8 thousand subscribers, even made over 4,000 in ad revenue. Now, that's not a goal, but hey, every little bit counts, and we're happy to take that. But what does that actually mean in business? Well, for real estate, we were able to generate 690 leads from the channel last year. So we averaged about 2 per day, but that's inbound versus outbound. Think about that. Think if you had 2 people calling you every single day that wanted to work with you. Most people that cold call, door knock, send out postcard, they would be elated if 2 people actually said, yes, I'm interested in working with you, and that's the possibility of them working. These are people calling us saying, I want to work with you, and we're moving in 9 days or 90 days or anything like that. So